Now with this Model Studios FOUGA Magister, and he's repaired it after its very hard landing. He had to strip some of the wing back and sort that out, and the tailplane and a few other odds and sods. Good job we've had some bad weather. Now it's fixed, so we'll soon find out what it's like. We're all ready for your little aeroplane. Blends in well. I lost it when it blended in with the clouds. How's the Tremel? Yeah.
Don't see any so far.
Yeah, not much of a spar through them, is there?
Just a nice bit of sky for it.
Yeah.
And weed.
Even the crows are cheering you on.
Feel wet stuff now.
Yeah, I can feel it now. Might be coming from that big black cloud that's overhead. Well done, Al. Should we beat a hasty retreat? The day that the rain come down. Model Studios FOUGA Magister after its repairs. Done up in the French test pilot school. This will be the second flight of Al's Model Studios FOUGA Magister since his crash or hard landing. Bit of a brighter sky, Alf.
That's a change, I can see it this time.
Yeah. Ooh. Nearly lost my footing then.
Roll. This is for the basics.
Uh-huh. Nice one out.
No rain.
No. Model Studios FOUGA Magister. Cheers out. Ooh.